energy, which is the energy required to remove an electron from a gaseous atom in its ground state. Okay, ang trend for ionization energy is down the group, it's decreasing, meaning increasing energy level or shell. Okay, it is decreasing due to the increasing energy level or shell. Okay, so as you move down the group, decreasing ionization energy because it is a lot easier to block out an electron farther away from your nucleus. Okay? Down across the period, increasing ang ionization energy due to the increasing ZF, okay? But same n energy level, okay? As you move across the period, your ZF, diba, is increasing due to the additional protons. Since same lang n energy level, it is a lot difficult to plug out or remove an electron in this trend. Okay? Because mas malakas ang kapit ng electron mo due to the ZF. Okay? Increasing ZF across the period. Okay, the electron affinity. Unlike your ionization energy, electron affinity is actually defined as the change in energy of a neutral atom when an electron is added to the atom to give a negative ion. In other words, the neutral atom's likelihood of gaining an electron. Okay, the trend is down the group. It is decreasing since increasing an energy level. So, meaning it's harder to add an electron because you are farther away from the nucleus. Okay, across the period naman, increasing siya in similar manner because may same n energy level but your ZF is increasing. So, it is easier to add an electron. Okay, because you are closer to the nucleus, meaning you have more access um, attraction to a new upcoming electron. Okay, ZF is increasing. Um, attraction towards a new electron is actually much stronger. So easier to add an electron. Okay, the more negative your electron affinity is, the higher the affinity electron affinity of that atom. Okay. So, election affinity, notice that the trend are not as evident as the for or as the ionization energy. By gaining an electron, for example, a halogen atom forms a stable anion that has a noble gas configuration, hence mostly negative or highest ang election affinity of your halogens. Okay? However, the addition of an electron in your noble gases is unfavorable. Okay, um, this is because stable na dati pa ang noble gases mo, adding another electron to their electron configuration actually disrupts the um, stability of your um, um, atom. Hence, in the your electron configuration or your electron affinity for your noble gases are positive. Okay, so lowest siya. Okay, so your 5A naman are elements with a half-filled p shell. The added electron must be added or must be put in an orbital that is already occupied, resulting in a larger electron repulsion. Okay, your 5A. And this makes sense because if you add more electron to your nitrogen, then the electron repulsion actually you are actually adding more electron repulsion into it. So making your the electron affinity for nitrogen a lot smaller. Okay, kaya siya positive. Okay, the same trend follows. Okay, alright, so this is one of the exception in your atomic properties. Okay, mainly your your P5. Okay, your P5 and your not 2s2. Okay, here. Okay, those are the exception for your periodic trends. Okay, consequently, the electron affinities are positive or either positive for N or less negative than those neighboring elements such as your phosphorus, astatine, and antimony. Okay, so ang general trend for electron affinity is similar to your ionization energy. Down the group, it is decreasing due to the increasing energy level, making it harder for an electron to be added into the atom. Okay, across the period, it is increasing due to the increasing ZF, making it easier to add an electron. Okay, Electron affinity is generally negative and ionization energy are generally positive ang values nila. Okay? So more on that, you can read more on that on the book. No? So first, reference for this one is actually um, from Brown, no, 2012, Central Science. Okay? So another trend na lumalabas sa board exam is actually your polarizability. Okay? The polarizability or the ease to which the change of distribution is distorted is called the molecule's polarizability. Okay? In general rule, polarizability increases with as the number of electrons in an atom increases. Okay? Larger species has greater polarizability because they have more electrons. Okay? Smaller species has lesser polarizability because it has less electron. Okay, so polarizability is similar to the squeakiness of your squeakiness of your electron. No? Most polarizable atom with having more electrons. Okay, than atoms having less electrons in it. Okay. Example, iodine is more polarizable than fluorine. No? Remember that in your periodic table, fluorine is located above your iodine. Okay. Iodine has more electrons than fluorine, meaning iodine is a lot bigger and polarizable than your fluorine. Okay. So the trends and atomic properties. Okay, so you remember your trends, ionization, energy, electron affinity are similar in trend. Okay, your metallic characteristic are actually your elements become more metallic as you move across period, and as you move from right to left, to period and down, your metallic property actually increases. Okay, your atomic radius increases down the group due to the increasing N energy level, okay? And similar for your N values here. So you can practice after listening to this recording. On Thursday, I will give your PT4. Okay, it is a 15 item quiz. Ang time allocation is about 25 minutes. Those who are not able to attend Thursday's lecture session, you can have your PT test online. Okay, but PT discussion will only be available face to face. Okay, so good luck.